Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to record a narration over a Keynote slideshow on the Mac. So you'll see here I have 4 slides, and like in PowerPoint you can do a recording that tracks the timing as well as doing an audio narration over the top for each slide. However, unlike PowerPoint, Keynote does this as a single take recording. And so if you make a mistake, you have to clear it and begin again. So not that great for long presentations. If you do want to use this method though, it's quite simple. Cross on the top right corner, choose the document sidebar, make sure that you're in the audio tab, and click record. You can now see the slides. It begins on the slide that we were on. And you can, before you begin recording, switch to a different slide. Once you begin though, you press the red record button, gives you a countdown, and then you begin with slide 1. You can use the keyboard to progress to slide 2, or you can click just the keyboard. So this approach records single take across all the different slides, and when you're done, close the window and it's got the recording there. Now I'm going to clear this as I don't want that recording anymore. And the next approach that I'll show you is this multi-step recording process. So to do this, I found an effective way is to use QuickTime Player to record and save the audio for each individual slide. So I'll load QuickTime, do a file, new audio recording, begin the recording. So this is page 3 of the Keynote Narration slideshow. Stop it. We'll save it as audio page 3. And we can close it. Jump back to Keynote, and the next step is to drag the file onto the slide. Make sure that we don't replace any other media. So using Finder, I'll drag the audio page 3 file on here. Now if I drop it over an image, it will actually replace that image. So just sit it on the outside edge of the screen. Drops in the audio, you can play it back to listen to it. The next step is to switch over to this format button, and we need to uncheck the on-click button. So this means that it will now automatically play as soon as it transitions to that slide. The next thing we want to do is take a note of the time, in this case 5.7 seconds, and we need to set the animate transition time to automatically account for this time. So we'll jump over into animate. We need to deselect the audio first though, so now we're on the slideshow. Animate automatically, it was 5.7, so I'll just call it around 6 seconds. You then do the same process with the additional slides. Drop in audio recordings for page 4, check the time, uncheck the other settings, and once you're finished, we can play it to check that it runs through in the right timing, and then export to QuickTime. So File, Export to QuickTime. Playback is self-playing. It should be based on automatic times, not click events. The format, make sure that it's set based on the scale of your presentation. In this case, 1024 by 768, but normal video formats you do would be 720p or 1080p. So select that one, choose next, choose your location, and export. creates the movie. It's worth checking the file both on your computer and perhaps a second computer. Make sure that the image, timings, audio, everything works before presenting, uploading, or submitting your files. Thanks for watching.